Hello and welcome back. By now you would know that I'm here at a very special place. We petrol heads call this as Supercar Heaven. If you are following me on my Instagram, you would know the reason why I'm back here. Yes, KVP has added his 9th supercar to his ever-growing collection. Last time I was here to check out the brand new Huracan Performante that was a couple of months ago. Today I'm back here to check out a very special car, a car that is limited to just 100 units worldwide, and we have one of the unit right here in front of us. Let's take a look at the car while it's being uncovered. So guys, here it is, the limited edition Aston Martin Vantage AMR. The car is finished in Zaffre blue and speed red. The car is powered by 6-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine which produces 595 horsepower. The car can reach from 0 to 100 in just 3.6 seconds. The car is loaded with carbon fiber everywhere and it looks absolutely stunning in this particular shade. Without further ado, let's take a look at this car and also show you the other cars here.